Let me show you how you can import contacts to Outlook. Let's say you want to gather contacts to Outlook from another platform: Google Contacts, CRM, e-commerce. You can do that with Import to Wizard. Go to import2.com. Free trial is available. Sign up for instant access and try. Start a new app-to-app import to import contacts directly from another cloud app. Import to Wizard works with multiple cloud apps. To start importing, add your Outlook connection to Import to Wizard. I will set up contacts import from Google Contacts, but you can do it from any other popular app or another Outlook account. On the next step, I use drop-down menus to select data fields in Google Contacts, the app you import from, and a corresponding field in Outlook. Make sure to map given name, as it is a required field on the Outlook side. Once you're ready, press Start Import to continue. Then you get a preview of which contacts are imported. Another cool thing you can do to import contacts into Outlook with Import to Wizard is to import from a file. Let's say you gathered contacts in an Excel spreadsheet, Google Sheets, or download them from another address book in a CSV. I opened my contacts in Google Sheets. Download it as a CSV to import into Outlook. Then, from the Wizard dashboard, select a new CSV import. You can select create new contacts or update existing ones. When setting up import, you control which data in CSV goes to which fields in Outlook. On the next step, you can preview imported contacts. That's it! You have learned how to import contacts to Outlook from Excel, Google Sheets, CSV, or another cloud app. Visit import2.com for more information.